In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about the tools required to replace an engine valve cover. Right down here, I have my magnetic tray, my book, shop rag, and various other components. You're going to need a good standard socket set that includes both standard metric sockets, 3/8 drive preferably, something right about so. Also going to need quite possibly a screwdriver. This actual vehicle requires a Phillips. Some cleaner. You're going to want to clean up the new valve cover and the top of the engine cylinder head so you get a nice fresh mating surface for your new valve cover. Some silicone, and of course your new gasket. On this particular engine I also have some tape and a marker we're going to mark the ignition coil wires with. We will also be needing a torque wrench.